Hello, welcome to fourth video on Kiwi. Today we will make a simple calculator app. So in our last video we have seen a basics of widgets. So let's open our the last code here. Control plus. So let's run this code. Open terminal this directory and python space main.py. So this is our app. First is text input and this is level and this is button. So to convert we will convert this app into a simple calculator. Here text input will take our expression, will mathematical expression, and when we will click this button, then it will calculate and it will show this result in this level. Okay, so both functions are connected with this this button. So we have to call a method or function by this button. So to do this, let define a method name callback bsck callback self. I am passing self variable and object variable. Self is object of its own class and object is this button object, which is okay. So to uh, let's print something. Print hello. I am printing this hello. So to call this method through this by this button, we have to bind this callback method with this button. To do this, write self dot button btn dot bind. Bind method is defined in the Kiwi library. So I am calling this bind library, a bind method. I am passing on press equal to on press equal to on release. You can use on press or on release. I am using on release. LEAC RELEAC on release equal to self dot callback bsck. I am calling this callback when we will release this button. 1 second. Okay, I have to rerun again. So when I am releasing this I am pressing and releasing this button, it will print this hello. Or if you can use on press, then when you will press this button, then it will print. I am using on release. All these methods and on release and these are defined in Kiwi library. Just search kiwi.org and just see the button, see or search buttons of Kiwi. So uh, this button is calling this function or method. Let's connect all this text input and label with this callback method. So I am defining a variable x equal to eval. If eval is a function in Python. Uh, it will calculate our Python mathematical expression which is in string. So eval, it can calculate string 1 plus 2. Then it will calculate it will the result will be 3 in number. So to I am passing this text from text input ti.text text, and I am just updating this value into on this level text self dot lb level dot text equal to strx. So save and let's run this code. 1 plus 6. Here our calculator is working properly, and 1 plus 6 into 8, so 57, and 5 into 96, that's it. Our calculator is working. You can call all function from math library of Python. From math import start. I am importing all mathematical function in this script. So you can put this cos here, cos 10 in radian. So that's so this is the value of our cos 10 equal to 10 in radian, not in degree. So that's it. Or now when you will when I am pressing this button with empty text input, it will crash. So to avoid this crash, we have to use try and except method. Try this calculation. If any problem, then except except just self dot label dot text. Equal to, I am writing this text of the label equal to error, and I am passing hint text equal to enter math expression. I think expression spelling is okay. So here a hint text is here, and you can let's when I'm clicking this empty with empty text input, it is showing this error. Or I am passing this 1 plus 2 into 3, and that's it. Here this hint text and text, all these attribute and methods are defined in Kivy text input, and you can check all these label attribute, text input attributes, and button attributes. All these are in Kivy library documentation. So you can search in you can see in Kivy website. Okay, so that's all for today. This is our basic calculator app, which is working properly. So that's all for today. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and and I have published some Kiwi apps in Google Play Store, and I am putting link in this description. Please install and give some rating and review. So okay, see you next video.